Alright guys, so I just finished spraying down the car and gonna dry it real quick, but what I plan on doing is trying out this product, the Turtle Wax Ice Sail and Shine Hybrid synthetic sealant. Supposedly it's supposed to be better than the ceramic wax that I had previously. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna dry the car off and we'll try putting that stuff on. But if, as you can see, actually the Turtle Wax ceramic wax is still on there. You can see that there's beading going on, but you can tell also that it's kind of wearing off in some spots. It is a bit of a workout drying this car. All right, finished washing the car. We are going to take it back to the apartment. As you guys can hear, there is no drone going on the highway, doing highway speeds. The exhaust sounds great when you're getting on it, but otherwise there's no cabin drone. Alright guys, so I washed the car earlier, but of course ran into some bugs on the way back. So yeah, we're going to use this Turtle Wax Ice Sail and Shine Hybrid synthetic sealant. And before we use that, I'm just going to wipe the bumper off real quick with some of these kind of like wash wipes. All right, well, I'm gonna get done with this. We'll see how it turns out after I'm done. All right. Hey, what's going on, guys? So out here walking a trail with the wife and Tofu. So yesterday I waxed the car, and on the way to the trail this morning we had to drive on a dirt little trail, so it'd be a good time to kind of spray the car down afterwards and see how well that wax sealant works. I'm sure some of you guys are wondering, oh well, Josh, you were just using the Turtle Wax ceramic coat or ceramic spray wax. Why'd you switch over to the Turtle Wax Seal and Shine? After looking at some reviews, some people say that the Seal and Shine has lasts a little longer on the car. I'm sure it looks just as good. Probably has the same effect on when washing the car, but yeah, I just figured I'd try it out. It was only maybe 10 bucks, so yeah, I'm sure they're both great products, but just wanted to try something different, see how it turned out, see which one's better, and yeah, we'll go from there. And as you can see, the car has a nice beading, water sheeting effect. Not sure if you can see it. Here's the water kits. It just slides right off. I noticed from using it, the car has like a nice, like, the paint has like a slickness to it after using the product. The towel just kind of glides across. All right, I dried the car. Here's how it looks. Yeah, it looks great. Super shiny. It's got a nice reflective shine to it. It's pretty easy to apply the product, wipe it on, wipe it off, and then yeah, wash it, dry it. Yeah, again, whenever we went on that trail, there was a little bit of dust on it, but after spraying it down, wiping it back off, she's good to go. All right, well, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.